Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and More. And her guest host this week is Decorating with Jazza Green. The theme is Silver and White Winter Tablescape. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for this Tuesday. Okay, so let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about my tablescape here. I've used the white runner. My centerpiece here, I've placed it in the silver dough bowl. And what I've added are the frosted snow-covered picks. I have a few snowballs with the poinsettias and the snow-covered pine cones, and also I have the white beads. On each side, I have a frosted tree and the tea lights. So that is my centerpiece. Now let me tell you a little bit about what I've done here with the place setting. First, I've added the snowflake glasses, the silver flatware, and for my place setting, I first added the white Georgia plate. On top of the white Georgia plate, I've placed the silver Georgia plate, and on top of it, I've added the beautiful dinner plate and the napkin with the napkin holder, and also the bowl. So I've layered it with the silver and the white Georgia plates. Now I'll tell you a little bit about what I've done over here On the sofa table, I've added the snow-covered garland, again with the pine cones. In the middle, I've added 3 beautiful white vases, and they have the snow-covered flowers and also pine cones in there. And I've used 3. On each side, I've added the white candle holders. And also, I've added the little tea lights and the beautiful candle holders here in the silver. So that is my winter silver and white tablescape. Again, I want to thank the Grace Life Home Decor and More, and also Decorating with Jezza Green for inviting me to be a part of Tablescape on Tuesday. I will be leaving their information in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check their channel and all of the creators who are participating in Tablescape Tuesday. I also want to thank the design family because, as you know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. Again, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this tablescape. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.